Students, what is a circle? Today we will discuss about a circle. So we know very well, circle is a path of a point which will be equidistant from a fixed point, and this fixed point is called center. Means circle is a path of a point which will be equidistant, correct? Which will be equidistant from a fixed point, and this fixed point is called center. Now we will discuss about a tangent. What is a tangent? A line which touches a circle at a point is called tangent, and this point is called point of contact, and this line is called tangent. Now what is a chord? Suppose we have a circle, correct? We have a circle and line inside the circle is called a chord. If a line is passes through the circle, so this line is called secant. Now we will do exercise from NCERT book. Students, your theorem number 10.2 in NCERT, the lengths of tangent from external point to a circle are equal. Students, we have a circle and there are two tangents AP and BP. We will write here given AP and BP are two tangents. Students, what we have to show? We will write here to prove AP and BP are equal. AP and BP are equal. Now we will do one construction. We will join this O and P. Now you have two triangles here, OAP and OBP. There are two triangles and we have to show these two triangles are congruent. Students, radius is always perpendicular to the tangent, so this will be 90 degree. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent, so this is also 90 degree. We know this theorem, okay? Now we are taking two triangles. We will write here proof. We are taking two triangles in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. Now OA equals to OB. The value of OA equals to OB. Why? OA and OB are radii of same circle. Students, you can write here radii of same circle. Correct? Now OA, OP will be common in both. OP is equals to OP, common in both the triangles. You can see OP is situated in triangle, first triangle, and OP is in second triangle also. Now we can write here angle OAP is equals to angle OBP, each 90 degree. So by which property these two triangles will be congruent? In two right angle triangles, hypotenuse is equals to hypotenuse and one side equals to one side. So by RHS property, you can write here by RHS property, triangle AOP will be congruent to triangle BOP. Students, these two triangles are congruent. Now what can you say about this AP and BP? If two triangles are congruent, so their sides will be equal. All the rest parts will be equal. You can write here AP equals to BP. Why? By CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. AP equals to BP. Hence proved. Student, your first question is the point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from center is 25 centimeter. So what will be the radius of this circle? Students, we know very well radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. This is radius, this is tangent. So this angle will be 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, so we can use here Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OPQ, we know very well hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So you can write here OQ square is equals to OP square plus PQ square. Students, what is the value of this OQ? This is 25 centimeter. So we are putting here 25. And what is the value of this OP? We have to find OP square plus what is the value of this PQ? This is 24 whole square. So square of 25, this is 625 is equals to OP square plus the value of 24 square, this is 576. Students, our question number 2 is in figure 10.11. This is figure 10.11 in your NCERT book. If TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, O is center of the circle, so that angle POQ, this is 110, angle POQ, this is 110. Then find the value of angle PTQ. We have to find angle PTQ. How will we find this angle PTQ? Students, you know very well, radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. So this is radius, this is tangent, so this angle will be 90 degree. This is radius, this is tangent, so this angle will be 90 degree. Now we know very well, this is a quadrilateral and sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral will be 360. Now this is 90, 90, 180. So the sum of opposite angles will be 180 degree. And we can apply here angle POQ plus angle PTQ is equals to 180 degree. The value of POQ, this is 110 plus the angle PTQ we have to find is equals to 180 degree. Now we are transposing this 110 in right hand side, so we'll get here angle PTQ is equals to 180 minus 110. So this will be 70 degree. Means the value of angle PTQ will be 70 degree. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Students, we have a circle here. PQ is diameter of the circle. We have drawn two tangents AB and CD at the ends of the diameter. P and Q are point of contacts. So we have written here given AB and CD are two tangents. AB and CD are two tangents at the ends of diameter AB. To prove, students, what we have to prove? We have to show AB will be parallel to CD. This tangent will be parallel to this tangent. Now proof, how will we show? The radius of a circle is always perpendicular to the tangent. Means radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. OP is radius, AB is tangent. So both the angles will be 90, 90. OQ is radius, CD is tangent. So this radius will be perpendicular to the tangent. Now both the angles will be 90 and 90. We have written here angle QPA. Angle QPA, this will be 90 degree. Similarly, angle PQD. Angle PQD. This angle is 90 degree. You can say angle APQ is equals to angle PQD, each 90 degree. Both the angles are equal. These two angles are equal, means alternate interior angles are equal, so lines will be parallel. So we can say AB is parallel to CD, hence proved. The length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. Students, we know very well the radius of a circle is always perpendicular to the tangent. We have a circle here and we have a tangent AP and OA. This is given here 5 cm. We have to find radius of the circle. Correct? As we know, radius is always perpendicular to the tangent, so this angle will be 90 degree. And we have written here OP is perpendicular at PA. So angle OPA will be 90 degree. This is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we can find third side if two sides are given. Now hypotenuse and this base is given. We will use here Pythagoras theorem. In right angle triangle OPA, OA square equals to OP square plus AP square. We have written here OA square equals to OP square plus AP square. The value of OA, this is 5 square. OP, we have to find this is radius of the circle. And PA, this is 4 centimeter. Now 5 square, this is 25. OP square we have to find. 4 square, this is 16. We are transposing this 16 in left hand side. 25 minus 16 is equals to OP square. So OP square equals to 25 minus 16. So this will be 9. The value of OP, this is square root of 9. Square root of 9 will be 3 centimeter. Means radius of this circle will be 3 centimeter. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the circle which touches the smaller circle. Students, we have two concentric circles. One is smaller one and one is larger one. The radius of a smaller circle is 3 centimeter and the radius of the large circle is 5 centimeter. So we have to find the length of this tangent of the small circle, and this is the chord of this large circle. Students, we know very well radius of a circle is always perpendicular to the tangent. This is radius, this is tangent. So this angle will be 90 degree. Students, we know radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. You can see this OPB will be a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. OB square equals to OP square plus PB square. We have written here the value of OB, this is 5 square. The value of OP, this is 3 square. And the value of PB, we have to find 25. This is 3 3 are 9 and PB square. We are transposing this 9 in left hand side. 25 minus 9, this will be PB square. So PB square equals to 16. The value of PB will be square root of 16. This will be 4 centimeter. Students, we know very well the perpendicular from center to the chord bisect the chord, means the length of AB will be double of PB. The length of PB we have got here 4 centimeter. We are putting the value of PB 4 centimeter. So 4 into 2, this will be 8 centimeter. So length of AB will be 8 centimeter. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. Students, you can see this figure. A quadrilateral circumscribe a circle. So we have to show AB plus CD is equals to AD plus BC. Now, how will we solve this part? We know very well a pair of tangent from exterior point to a circle are equal. Means a pair of tangent. Suppose AP and AS are pair of tangent from exterior point A. So AP and AS will be equal. Similarly, BP and BQ are equal because these are pair of tangent from exterior point. CQ, CR are equal. DR and DS are equal. We have written here AP equals to AS. AP equals to AS. This is equation number 1. BP equals to BQ. This is equation number 2. CR equals to CQ. This is equation number 4. DS equals to DR. This is equation number 3. So adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. What will we get here? AP in left hand side. AP plus BP plus DR plus CR. AP plus BP plus DR plus CR is equals to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ in right hand side. Students, you can see in figure AP plus BP. AP plus BP. This is AB. DR plus CR. DR plus CR. This will be CD. So we are writing CD in the place of DR plus CR. AS plus DS. AS plus DS. This will be AD. So we are writing AD in the place of AS plus DS. BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ. This will be BC. Hence proved. In figure 10.13, means this one figure, X, Y and X dash, Y dash are two parallel tangents. X, Y x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. O is the center of the circle. Another tangent AB. Another tangent AB with the point of contact C, intersecting XY at A, and X dash Y dash at B, to prove that angle AOB will be 90 degree. We have to show angle AOB will be 90 degree, means this whole angle will be 90 degree. We have to show this part. Now in triangle APO, we are taking triangle APO and triangle ACO. We have to show both the triangles are congruent. Correct? Now you know very well AP equals to AC. The value of AP equals to AC. Pair of tangent from exterior point are equal. So these two lines will be equal. OA equals to OA. OA is common between both the triangles. So OA equals to OA. Third, OP equals to OC. The value of OP and OC are equal because these are radii of same circle. Now these two triangles are congruent by which property? By SSS property. All the three sides of this triangle are equal to all the three sides of this triangle. So by SSS property, both the triangles will be congruent. Now if these two triangles are congruent, so angle POA is equals to angle AOC. We have written here angle POA equals to angle AOC is equals to X. Correct? Similarly, we can say angle COB and angle QOB are equal. Angle QOB equals to angle BOC each y degree. You know POQ is a line. Students, we know very well that POQ is a line, and the sum of all the angles on a straight line will be 180 degree. We know this part very well. So sum of x plus y will be 180 degree. X plus x will be 2x, y plus y will be 2y. This will be 180 degree. Now 2 is common, equals to 180 degree. 2 is in multiply, so you can write in the denominator. 180 upon 2, this will be 90. X plus y will be 90 degree, means x plus y is 90 degree. We can write AOB in the place of x plus y. So we are putting the value of x plus y AOB. AOB is equals to 90 degree. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. Students, we have to show the sum of angle AOB and angle APB will be 180 degree. We have written here given AP and BP are two tangents from external point. To prove angle AOB plus angle APB will be 180 degree. Students, we know very well the radius of a circle is always perpendicular to the tangent. Radius is always perpendicular to the tangent. OA is radius, AP is tangent. So this will be perpendicular, means this angle will be 90 degree. Similarly, OB is a radius, BP is a tangent, OB will be perpendicular on BP. So this angle will be 90 degree. Students, you know very well in a quadrilateral, sum of all the four angles will be 360 degree. We have written here angle AOB plus angle OBP plus angle BPA plus angle PAO. This is equals to 360 degree. Now we know these two angles are 90. AOB plus this angle is 90 degree. BPA we will write, and PAO this will be 90 degree. Now 90 plus 90 180, angle AOB plus angle BPA is equals to 360. 180 we will transpose in right hand side, so we will get here angle AOB plus angle BPA. 360 minus 180, so this will be 180 degree, means the sum of AOB and APB will be 180 degree. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Students, we have a circle ABCD is a parallelogram and we have to show ABCD will be a rhombus. ABCD circumscribe this circle. Now we have written here given ABCD is a parallelogram. We know opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC. To prove what we have to show, ABCD is a rhombus means all the four sides are equal. AB, BC, CD and DA. Students, we know a pair of tangent from exterior point will be equal. Suppose A is exterior point, so AP will be equals to AS, BP is equals to BQ, CR equals to CQ, DR equals to DS. We have written here AP equals to AS, equation number 1, BP equals to BQ, equation number 2, CR equals to CQ, this is equation number 3, and DR equals to DS, this is equation number 4. Now adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will get here AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. We have written here AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equals to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now adding AP plus BP, AP plus BP. This will be AB. So we have written AB in the place of AP plus BP. CR plus DR, CR plus DR. This will be CD. So we have written here CD. AS plus DS, AS plus DS. This will be AD. We have written here AD. BQ plus CQ, BQ plus CQ. This will be BC. Students, you know AB equals to CD and AD equals to BC. We can put AB in the place of this CD and BC in the place of this AD. AB plus AB, we will write here 2AB. BC plus BC, we will write here 2BC. Now 2 cancel out, we will get here AB equals to BC. Now you can see in figure, the value of AB is equals to BC. Correct? Opposite sides are equal and these two adjacent sides are equal. So we can say all the four sides AB, BC, CD and AD are equal. So ABCD is a rhombus. Prove that opposite sides of a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of a circle. Students, we have a circle and quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribing this circle. So we have to show opposite sides means AB and CD will subtend 180 degree at the center. Means we have to show the sum of AOB plus COD will be 180 degree. Correct? We have written here AOB plus COD equals to 180. We have to show this. Now let angle A, this will be 2x, angle B, this is 2y, angle C, this is 2z, angle D, this is 2p. Students, we know very well these two triangles are congruent to each other. These are two radii are equal, OA is common and these are equal tangents. So these two triangles will be equal. So these two angles will be equal because we have this whole angle 2x. So half will be xx. So this angle A is 2x. So this will be x. This will be x. This is 2y. So this will be y. This is 2z. So this is z. And this whole angle is 2p. So half will be tp. Now we will find this angle AOB. How will we find? With the help of angle sum property. X plus y plus angle AOB equals to 180 degree. We have written here x plus y plus angle AOB equals to 180 degree. The value of angle AOB, this will be 180 minus x minus y. Similarly, in this triangle COD, in triangle COD, P plus Z plus angle COD is equals to 180 degree. The value of angle COD, this will be 180 minus P minus Z. Students, we have to find the sum of these two angles. Now we are adding these two angles. Angle AOB plus angle COD, this will be 180 plus 180, 360. Minus x, minus y, minus z, and minus p. Now minus sign is common, so this will be 360 minus x plus y plus z plus p. This is equation number 1. Now you can see this quadrilateral. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral will be 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be 360 degree. The value of angle A, this is 2x. The value of angle B, 2y. C, 2z, and D will be 2p, is equals to 360. Now what is common in all? 2 is common in all. So x plus y plus z plus p equals to 360. 2 is in multiply, so you can write in the denominator. X plus y plus z plus p equals to 360 upon 2. This will be 90 degree. Now students, we will put the value of x plus y plus z plus p equals to 90 in equation number 1. Your equation number 1 is AOB plus COD equals to 360 minus x plus y plus z plus p. The value of this part is 180 degree. The value of this part is 180 degree. 360 upon 2, this is 180. So AOB plus COD, this will be 360 minus 180. 360 minus 180, this will be 180 degree. From point Q, the length of tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Students, we have a circle, and from a point Q, the distance of center is 25 centimeter and the length of the tangent is 24 centimeter. We have to find radius of the circle. Students, we know very well the radius of a circle is always perpendicular to the tangent. Means OP is perpendicular on PQ. So this angle will be 90 degree. Now this is a right angle triangle. We can use here Pythagoras theorem. So we are writing here OQ square equals to OP square plus PQ square. The value of OQ. Students, what is the value of OQ? This is 25 square. OP we have to find, and PQ, this is 24 centimeter. The square of 25, this is 625, 625, and 24 square, this is 576. We are transposing this 576 in left hand side, so this will be 625 minus 576 equals to OP square. If you will subtract 576 from 625, so we will get here 49. We will remove this square from left hand side, so we will get here square root. So the value of OP will be square root of 49, means 7 centimeter. Means radius of this circle will be 7 centimeter.